के झुमके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, फूलों की शोखियां जो बरसे आके लूट गए, बदल रही है जिंदगी।
You promised to protect me, to guard me from all danger. But what if you're the one I need protection from? What if my heart is in danger just because of you? What will I do? To whom will I go? Because wherever I turn, I only see you. Your laugh chases me. Your smile blocks my way. Your eyes trap me.
It sounds like Pakhi is speaking about Varun. Pakhi is speaking about Varun. It's, I don't know, it's kind of double-edged, isn't it? Where she's saying, look, this is how crazy I am about you, but I really want to strangle you and kill you because you're such an asshole. So, well, I think it's really well written. If I was left to be, तो मैं इतने बाल मैं इतने लंबे उगाता, एक बड़ी सी दाढ़ी, like a साधु look रखता. If I wasn't playing characters for my line of work, if I was left to be, तो मैं लंबे बाल और दाढ़ी रखता. और that's how it would be in my personal life. Yes, I am very attached to my mustache. I love twirling it. हाँ जी, दबंग में है. It's a little more similar to Rowdy. But what I'm happy about is that handlebars are back. अगर आप देखो शिखर धवन ने रखे हैं, रविंद्र जडेजा ने रखे हैं, and देखो उनकी लक कैसे चमक गई. We have lifted the cup thanks to the handlebars. So I hope my handlebars are as lucky for me as they have been for Team India. I'm glad. I think if I may say so, started a trend. What do you think?
वो टाइम की बात है. जिस फिल्म किस वक्त प्रमोट हो रही है वही बेस्ट लगता है. तो सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन आपने निकाल ही दिया. तो अब इस समय की बात करो तो रणवीर सिंह ही अच्छे लगते हैं मूंछों में. वैसे प्रकाश भी अच्छा लग रहा है, उसकी भी मूंछें काफी अच्छी है.
I do something that is Mills and Boons-esque every day. There's no one thing. I can't count the number of Mills and Boons type thing that my life is like Mills and Boons, really. I'm an actor, so I believe I'm an artist. What I do is subjective matter, you know. It's subjective, it can't be quantified. What can't be quantified can't be considered competition. So I don't consider myself as being part of a competition or a rat race. I'm just an artist doing my thing. There's no better or worse. What you take away from a film, what you take away from a performance may be different from what somebody else takes away. So, you know, it's subjective matter that can't be quantified. So I don't view it as a competition at a very fundamental level. Panchamda ki khas baat ye thi that he was an innovator. As a musician, you know, the kind of sounds, the kinds of songs he came up, you had not heard before. He was always ahead of his time. He was something like Pink Floyd, you know, always innovating, always coming up with things that set a trend that people followed for years and years, and he came up with it. So that's the true genius of it, that he's a true creator. Well, I've seen Magadhira. I was absolutely blown away by it. I think Ram Charan is an outstanding talent. I'm looking forward to his movie. But no, I'm not doing Magadhira right now. जब भी ऐसी सोनाक्षी की consistency और commercial success की बात की जाती है, एक पंच आना चाहिए. Sonakshi Sinha, the 100 crore princess.
You know, it's picturized on the process of falling in love between Pakhi and Varun, and it's very beautifully picturized. But unfortunately, there's no dancing to this number.
I don't know if our fraternity is particularly banding together in any way to make an effort, but I am sure there are individual pockets of people who are. I know of them because I've heard of them. I sympathize with all the sufferers of this tragedy. So yeah, I feel terrible, and it gets you thinking, you know, life is fragile and the world looks like it's coming to an end. So love wholeheartedly. That's all I can say. I thoroughly enjoyed what she did in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, but I don't know what's happening. All I'm thinking right now is Ram Leela, I mean Lutera.